Okay, it's time for our last challenge. Here's a short 25-second screencast video that shows how to import media from Google Drive into Camtasia. I'd like you to prepare two sets of images. One set to be used to create a step-by-step handout where no image is larger than 400 pixels in any dimension. The other set of images will be used to create a PowerPoint slideshow for an upcoming workshop. Each image should be in the JPEG format. I've prepared this challenge Photoshop file for you already, so you can focus on the exporting features that we covered in this chapter. If you'd like an extra challenge, use the challenge video and prepare your own version of this file. Now, this challenge should take you less than 5 minutes to complete if you start with this Photoshop file, and less than 15 minutes if you start with the video file. When you're finished, watch the next movie and see how I completed both versions of the challenge.